Good morning. Good morning. Today we are going to Green Island. So I've got our water bag and I'm just going to pack it up with all the things that we need. So we've got our 2 tessellate towels. We're excited to be using these for the first time. We'll see how they go and we'll let you know. We have a blanket for Aurora, which kind of acts like a towel. It's like one of the old swaddle wraps that she used to have. I have my clothes here. Jesse will have his clothes. Got some AeroGuard back here in the front. We'll also put our sunscreen in the front. And then we'll have a little diaper bag that'll have some spare nappies. It's also got a swimming cover, so then for when she goes in the water. Yeah, and then other than that, this is going to be full of camera gear. We have got lunch covered for us, but we're going to take some strawberries, so then Aurora has some snacks on the way.
Can you snappy crocodiles? 1 snappy crocodile, 2 snappy crocodile, 3 snappy crocodile, 4. Oh, good job. 4. Birds. 3. Whoa! Look at that! Big jump! Bird. Bird, 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 bird.
See all the roots in of the seagrass there.
The boat is just there. I've got the drone here. I'm going to try and get some footage because the island is actually super cool. There's the boat over there. Now off to the jetty and we'll be leaving in about 15 minutes. Thank you. Thanks guys, bye.